Tesla has opened its biggest U.S. superchargers with an incorporated and first-of-its-kind client relax, nourishment administrations and territories assigned for families. The 40 slowdown supercharger station in Kettleman City and Baker, California are deliberately situated at midpoints between well-known travel courses, interfacing Los Angeles and San Francisco and Los Angeles with Las Vegas, individually. Every supercharger station will incorporate access to sustenance and specialty drinks, a child's play divider, pet alleviation territory, and open-air space for families, concurring a Tesla representative. Notwithstanding the civilities when giving solace to drivers, families and their pets while charging, the new supercharger stations will join a Little at Highland Extras segment where individuals can buy Tesla-marked things, while likewise adapting more about the organization's line of vitality items through independently directed stands. The Uber supercharger areas take after the establishment of the world's biggest supercharger station that as of late came online in Shanghai, and touches base before the bustling occasion travel season. Tesla's powerful charging stations in Kettleman City and Baker each have a sun-oriented overhang and Tesla's PowerPack battery stockpiling units. Tesla shows that the new client parlors will be open day in and day out to Tesla drivers and available by means of a construction standard that will be shown on their vehicle's touchscreen. The new areas are likewise decorated with an extensive overhead sign bearing Tesla's logo and supercharger. The California-based electric auto producer is focused on extending its system of charging stations in the U.S. also abroad. Tesla has focused on introducing 1,000 superchargers in China before the current year's over, as it hopes to grow its impression on the planet's biggest auto showcase. The organization likewise started to expand its supercharger range that has been customarily gone for long remove travel with new urban superchargers intended for inward city and neighborhood travel. Teslarati could catch an itemized first take again at Tesla's urban supercharger at the North Columbus Drive station in Chicago.